For the past 25 years, National Covers has been the leading supplier of boat covers, carrying the widest selection and the best boat cover brands on the market. Our Ridgeline boat cover support system is the perfect accessory for your boat cover, providing extra protection for your boat while extending the life of your cover. The integrated cover support system is attached to the underside of the cover, making it quick and easy to install. Strategically positioned heavy-duty straps create a support ridge to reduce water pooling on the cover. This makes the cover shed water better and reduces drying time after heavy rains. To install the Ridgeline integrated cover support, first unroll the cover and place loosely on the boat. Locate the front loop of the Ridgeline strap on the underside of the cover. Fasten the strap to the boat cleat at the bow, or use one of the provided straps to attach to the trailer frame. Go to the stern of the boat and attach the hooks to the eyelets on the stern or the boat trailer. Tighten the straps evenly and firmly. Once the Ridgeline strap system is tight, proceed to strap the cover. National Covers, America's trusted cover source for over 25 years.